children, welcome to Priya Ma'am's class again. In this class, what we are going to do is we are going to learn a poem named Number One Teacher. Okay, there is a girl who is admired a teacher and how they helped her and how did that one teacher has made her very strong, bold, and what are the things that she learned and she enjoyed about the teacher. You all also love your teachers, right? So let us just look into what had just happened in that poem. Okay, so yes, let's see. Okay, children, so now we are going to read the poem Number One Teacher by Joanna Futchs, and let's see what she is told in that poem. In this poem, a poet have written about how she has appreciated her teacher, okay, and she was very happy writing about her teacher. So she thinks that how her teacher has been very inspirational. So now we are going to read how she has written it. I'm happy that you are my teacher. I enjoy each lesson you teach. Now in this first lines, the poet is expressing how she is happy about her teacher taking the class. And she is saying, I'm happy that you are my teacher. I enjoy each lesson you teach. She's saying that every lesson you teach, I am enjoying. And she says, as my role model, you inspire me to dream and to work and to reach. What is she saying? You are not just teaching me, you are being like my role model. Role model is someone who you think you want to become like. Okay, they are saying that girl is saying to her teacher, you are like my role model. You are inspiring me. You are just capturing me. Okay, and I want to become like you. And saying you are inspiring me towards how to dream and to work and to reach. Okay, so in this lines again I'm reading, I'm happy that you are my teacher. I enjoy each lesson you teach. As my role model, you inspire me to dream and to work and to reach. So now what here they have told, how beautiful, like I'm happy that you are my teacher and I enjoy every lesson, each and every lesson, not one I am not enjoyed, every lesson I'm enjoying, and you are my role model and you inspire me to dream and to work and to reach. Okay, that is what she's explained beautifully in this lines. And the next lines goes like, with your kindness you get my attention. Every day you're planting a seed of curiosity and motivation to know and to grow and succeed. What is she saying more? She's saying with the kindness the teacher is, what is the teacher doing? You get my attention. You're making me look at you. You're very kind. So you're getting all my attention. Every day you are just planting one seed inside me, seed of goodness, maybe some seed of goodness. What are the seeds she's saying? What are the seeds that is planted? Seed of curiosity. Curiosity means to know more, to question more, to know more. So you're planting a seed of curiosity to learn more in me. And motivation, you're motivating me to become someone better. Okay, and to know and to grow and succeed. What's happening? You're also making me, or you're planting the seed of to knowing, to grow. You're helping me to grow and also to succeed in my life. Okay, so what is she saying? With the kindness, the teacher is getting all of her attention and she is growing and motivating certain things inside her. And in the next paragraph, you help me fulfill my potential. I'm thankful for all that you have done. I admire you each day and I just want to say as a teacher, you are number one. See how she's beautifully written. You help me fulfill my potential. See, you are helping me just seeing how much I can do, the potential that I have, the talents that I have. You help me fulfill all of it. You help me do all of the talents, or show all of the talents. And the girl is saying, I'm very thankful for all that you have done. See, ma'am, I'm very thankful. I thank you very much for all the things that you have done. I admire you each day. See, I look at you and wonder how beautiful you are, how good you are, and how sweet you are. And I just want to say, as a teacher, you're number one. The girl is saying, as a teacher, out of all the teachers I've seen, you are my number one. So this is the poem that she has written beautifully to her teacher, expressing. Now let's see the summary. In the first paragraph, what did she say? She just started saying how she enjoys each and every class and how the teacher molds them or inspires her, right? Yes. And in the next paragraph, what did she say? She was telling how she was planting a seed, being kind. The teacher was very kind and getting my attention and planting the seed of motivation, inspiration, and curiosity, and to know and to learn more things. And now what is happening? In the third paragraph, she says that you have beautifully you are very beautiful and you're the only number one teacher because you have been very inspiring and admire you every day, right? So wonderfully she has written this, and this is what we learned in the poem, The Number One Teacher. If you have any doubts with this poem, we'll be dealing all that in our online classes. Okay, children? Yes, thank you.